We've reached step number 13 in the loan process, your closing disclosure. So a lot of people don't know what this is, but the closing disclosure is when all of the fees are really firmed up and we get your numbers pretty close to accurate. So the closing disclosure is also a crucial component because when your closing disclosure is issued, it does not start your 3-day wait until you sign that closing disclosure. What is a 3-day wait? What that means is that once you sign that closing disclosure acknowledging your amount of cash to close and all of your other terms on your loan, such as your monthly payment, your interest rate, this is when you can start those 3-day wait before you're able to sign your final loan documents. So let's say that you sign on a Friday, Saturday, Monday, because Sunday doesn't count. On Tuesday, you are legally able to now sign your final loan documents. That doesn't necessarily mean that your loan documents will be ready at that time. However, we will do everything that we can as long as you have gotten everything on that conditional loan approval that the underwriter has asked you for. So let's get your closing disclosures signed and get you 3 days closer to closing.